Hello, this is series lesson 2. In this, I will discuss questions on number and letter series. Concept I discussed in the previous lesson. Now, this video lesson you have to treat as an online practice exercise. What you have to do, you have to pause the video, try to solve each and every question first by yourself. Now, pause this screen, try to solve all these three questions. These are series based questions. You have to fill in the blanks. Now, first question is 841, 529, 361, 289. What will be this fill in the blanks that you need to calculate? Now, can I say that this is 841 is 29 square, this is 23 square, this is 19 square, this is 17 square, and this is 11 square. Now, what's the pattern? I told you that in series there are only two type of question. Either you will find the pattern in terms or you will find the pattern in the difference of term. Here you can find the pattern in the terms. These are the squares of prime numbers. Squares of prime number in decreasing order. 29 is a prime number. After this 23 is a prime number. Then 19, then 17. Prime numbers in decreasing order. After 17, the next prime number in decreasing order is 13. So 13 square would be 169 will be your final answer. Second question. 83, 73, 67, 59 and 47. These are all prime number. 83, 73, 67, 59 and 47. But they are not consecutive prime number in decreasing order. They are alternate prime number. Why so? Because 83 is a prime number. After 83 in decreasing order, the prime number would be 79. But we won't take 79. We will take 73. After 73 in the decreasing order, the prime number is 71. So we are taking alternate prime number. After 67, the prime number is 61. Here the 53 is also a prime number. So after 47 in decreasing order, prime number would be 43. But we won't take 43 because we are taking the alternate prime number in decreasing order. So answer will be 41. 41 will be your final answer. Third question. 10, 21, 44, 71 and 186. Now how can we reach the 21 from 10? Can I say that 10 into 2 plus 1 will make it 21. These are a variety of questions that I will discuss so that in exam you won't face any difficulty. 21 to 44, how to reach? Can I say 21 into 2? 42 plus 2. This is 44 into 2, 88. This is not 71, this is 91, sorry. This is 91. So 44 into 2, 88 plus 3. This is 91 into 2. 91 into 2 is how much? 182 plus 4. What's the pattern? Multiply by 2 and add 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the pattern. So next term would be into 2 plus 5. Now this you must be able to calculate verbally. 186 into 2 will be give you 372. Why so? Because 180 into 2 is 360, 6 into 2 is 12. 360 plus 12 is 372 plus 5. 377 is your final answer. Now question number 4 and 5. Now pause the video, try to solve both of these questions first by yourself. Take this video lesson as a practice exercise online. Now fourth question says that this is 5 by 9 means this is 5 plus 5 by 9. Once you solve this, you will get this is 50 by 9. 9 5s are 45 plus 5, 50 by 9. So this is 50 by 9. What is this 6 1 by 4? This is 6 into 4, 24 plus 1, 25 by 4. This is actually 25 by 4. Now 25 by 4, I can write it as 50 by 8. Same thing, multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. So this is 50 by 8. Why I have done this? Because that will make the pattern. This is 7 into 7, 49 plus 1, 50 by 7. Now you can see the pattern. Numerator is same, denominator is decreasing by 1. Same way 8 1 by 3. This is 25 by 3. 8 3 are 24 plus 1. 25 by 3. 25 by 3 you can write it as 50 by 6. Same thing. This 10 you can write it as 50 by 5. Now you can easily see the pattern. Numerator is same 50. Denominator is decreasing by 1. So next term by common sense will be 50 by 4. And that will be your final answer. 50 by 4 means 25 by 2. You can write this is 12 and a half. So 12 and a half will be my final answer. Question number 5 is 6, 15, 47, 97 and 293. Now I told you that either you will find the pattern in terms or pattern in the difference of term. If you take this difference, this is 9, this is 32, you won't find any pattern. It means that you have to make the pattern in the terms. Can I say that 6 to 15? How to make? Can I say 6 2s are 12 plus 3. 6 2s are 12 plus 3 will make it 15. 15 into 3 45 plus 2 will make it 47. Now 47 into 2 94 plus 3 that will make 97. 97 into 3 plus 2 this will give you 293. So what's the pattern? First you have to multiply by 2 and then add 3, then multiply by 3 and 2. Alternate pattern. Now next would be you need to multiply it by 2 and add 3. So 293 into 2. You have to do this verbally. 290 into 2 that will give you 580. 3 into 2 6. 586 plus 3 589. Again, if you want to solve this question in a faster manner, you must be able to do these kind of calculation verbally without writing. So answer will be 589. Now question number 6 and 7 on your screen. Pause the video, try to solve yourself, then look at the way I have solved. Now question number 6, 4 to 2. If you see the difference in the terms, then you won't find any much pattern, because here the difference is 2, then this 0, then it's increasing. So you have to find the pattern in the terms. Can I say that 4 to half? How can you use that? Can 4 into half will give you 2. 2 into 1 will give you 2. 2 into 1.5 will give you 3. 3 into 2 will give you 6. 6 into 2.5 will give you 15. So what is the pattern? We are multiplying by a number by increasing the half. First I multiplied by half, then increase it by 1. Half plus half 1. Then I'm multiplying the term by 1. So next would be into 3. Add 0.5 and then multiply. 2.5 plus 5 is 3. 6, 15 into 3. Answer would be 45. Question number 7. Whenever alphabets comes, you have to consider the number corresponding to that alphabet. So can I say this is 1, this is 4, D means I means 9, why I is 9? Because ijoti, remember ijoti, J was 10, so I is the just previous to J. So this would be 9, then this is 16, Y is 25. Now what's the pattern? Can I say this is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. So next term would be 6 square, that is 36. Now 36, I told you whenever the number is more than 26, divide more than 26, what you have to do? Divide that number by 36. If you divide 36 by 26, the remainder would be 10. You can write 36 as 26 into 1 plus 10. Now 26 into 1 means that the alphabet series is completed once, then the 10th letter would be J. As I told you in the concepts, I am just explaining. A, B, C up to Z. This is 1, 2, this is 26. After 26, again it will start from A. 27 means A. This is 28 means B, and so on. So that's how it goes. So 26 into 1 is means that the series has been completed one times. The 10 means what? 10 means J. So this is becomes J, that is 10. Now what the next term would be? So after 6 square, the next term would be 7 square. 7 square is 49. Now how to represent 49? Divide this by 26. If you divide 49 by 26, your remainder would be 23 and your answer would be W. W means 23 and that will be your final answer. Now question number 8 and 9 on your screen. Pause the video, try to solve yourself, then look at the way I have solved. Now B means 2, V means 22, this is 3, 21, this is 5, 19, this is 8, 16 and this is 12 and 12. Now first of all, what's the pattern? You can see that sum of the numbers is 24. 2 plus 22 is 24. This is 24. This is also 24. This is also 24. This is also 24. So next it will also be 24. That's the first thing to learn. Now if you see the first number, now this is 2 and 3. 2 and 3, the gap is 1. 3 and 5. C means 3, E means 5. The gap is 2. I'm calculating the gap between the first alphabet of each term. This is 3. Now you can see that there is a pattern in the difference of the term. I told you that either you will find the pattern in terms or pattern in the difference of term. Now this is 8 plus 4, this is gap of 4. So this will be the gap of 5. Can I say this is 12 plus 5, 17. 17 means Q. This is 17. Now sum should be how much? Sum should be 24. This is 7. 17 plus 7 make it 24. Now what is 7? 7 means G. So answer would be QG. Ninth question. This is 1 L2, 1 M3, 1 O. This is not 0, this is O. 1 R8. Can I say that? What is this L? L means 12. This is M means 13. So the middle letter is the number around. O means 15. 1 5 is around. R means 18. 1 8. Now what's the pattern? Now you can see that 12, 13, 15, 18. What's the pattern? 12 and 13, the gap is 1, the gap is 2, the gap is 3, then the gap will be 4. Now 18 plus 4, 22 means V. That will be the alphabet. The number round would be 2 and 2 because V is 22. You know that V is 22. So then the number in the left and right of V would be 2 and 2. Same as the previous number. So that was all about lesson 2 questions on number and letter series. Thank you.